Hi, welcome to my channel. The new BMW 1 Series hatchback will receive a charged version of the M135i. The new product will receive an aggressive body kit and a powerful engine. This was reported on the BMW blog website. At the front, updated headlights and a larger radiator grille will be installed. Several air intakes will be placed on the bumper. At the rear there will be 4 exhaust pipes and a massive diffuser. The rear optics will also be updated. The interior is also expected to undergo several changes. In particular, the hatchback will receive an enlarged display of the infotainment system running iDrive 9. The new BMW M135i will be equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing about 320 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. It will be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour will take about 4.5 seconds. The maximum speed will be 250 km per hour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.